Hi everyone, my name is Jim White. The purpose of this video is to show how an intaglio print is made. Intaglio prints are sometimes called etchings. This is a homemade intaglio press, but it doesn't matter. The process is the same with virtually any type of press. In another video, I'll discuss the design and construction of this press, as well as some of the other specialized equipment that I use in printmaking. On top of the press, there's a piece of poster board that has a grid pattern on it. That is covered with a clear piece of plastic so that I can mark the position of the plate and paper. This is a 9-inch by 12-inch plate, and we want to get it back into the center after it is inked up. So we'll have 6 inches from the center line and 4.5 inches from the center line. Next, we'll mark the position for the paper to be placed. The plate will go in this area, and the paper will be lined up on those marks there. This tub was purchased at Menards. Its intended purpose is for mixing mortar and small batches of concrete. It's quite sturdy, and I bought this for less than $15. It's available in various sizes. I'm using 90-pound paper, or 185 grams. It's only necessary to soak it about the length of time it takes to ink the plate. For thicker papers, it'll require a longer soaking time. This device is basically a vacuum cleaner in a box. I use it to hold the plates when I am inking them up. This is a piece of chipboard that's placed here just to keep ink off of the box itself. These I call adapters, and therefore use in holding various size plates. When the vacuum is turned on, the suction holds the plate in place as you ink it up. So the plate is held quite firmly, and that makes it easy to clean the edges. Then this adapter is for slightly larger plates. And this adapter I use for 9 by 12-inch plates. We'll use this adapter in our demonstration today. Inking the plate is very difficult without something to hold it in place. I like to use plastic spreaders to spread the ink and help scrape ink off of the plate. They come in 3 different sizes. I'll be using this size. Some people like to use pieces of mat board or illustration board to apply ink and scrape it. I like the plastic because they're reusable. I use Blick block printing ink. This is water soluble. That makes cleanup very easy. There's also oil-based inks available if you prefer, but it's a lot messier. We scraped the bulk of the ink back off, and next we'll wipe ink with a cloth and then with paper. I use pieces of canvas, which is cotton duck, if you buy it at the fabric store. On the floor, I have a bucket of water that I throw it in after I use it, and then I can rinse it out and reuse it. I use old yellow pages. Friends save the books for me. And the yellow page paper is a little thicker than the white pages paper. Okay, at this point the ink is in all the grooves in the plate, and we're ready to put it on the press after we wash our hands. Okay, we're ready to put our inked up plate on the marks that we made earlier.